In this video, we practice our pronunciation of the voiced TH sound and the P sound. Let's go over some minimal pairs together. The highlighted sound in the word then is th, th, th. The highlighted sound in the word pen is p, p, p. Okay, good. Here we go. Repeat after me. Then, pen, pen. These, peas, peas. Those, pose, pose. They, pay, pay. There, pair, pair. That, pat, pat. Than, pan, pan. Thy, pie, pie. Soothe, soup, soup. Very nice. Let's try some more examples. Repeat after me. That pie tasted better than this pudding. That pie tasted better than this pudding. Put those peas in these pots. Put those peas in these pots. They paid for my smoothie, and I paid for their popcorn. They paid for my smoothie, and I paid for their popcorn. I will have another bowl of that pumpkin soup, please. I will have another bowl of that pumpkin soup, please. Great job, everyone. For more pronunciation practice, visit us at basicesl.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.